This is a used 2008 Ford Fusion, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.